Today we are going to give some simple plugins to make your WordPress website faster. Alright, so for today we will talk about two plugins. The first one is Imagify, and the second is WordPress Rocket. Imagify is an image optimization tool that helps you reduce the size of your images the easy way without losing its quality. Imagify also converts your images to web format, which will additionally reduce the size of your website, making it faster. To add the plugin, head to your website's WordPress and then to Plugins, then Add New. In the search bar, type Imagify. You will probably find it on the first row. Press Install, then Activate. In our case, it's already installed. To manage the plugin, go to Settings. Here you can change the setting however you like, but we recommend keeping it the same. To start optimizing your pictures, go to Plugins, then under Imagify click on Bulk Optimization. Click this button to start optimizing. In part 2 we will talk about WordPress Rocket. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe.